Have you heard of Bazi Chinese metaphysics? It's a system that helps us to understand our destiny, our opportunity, and also our challenges in our life. Think of it like a map of your life journey, just like you use GPS to guide you towards to your destinations. Bazi helps guide you towards to your goal and aspiration. In the modern world, we are always looking for the ways to improve ourselves and also our life. And Bazi can help with that. By understanding your own Bazi chart, and you can make a better decisions, such as for your career or your relationship. Bazi is not just about predicting your future. It is also talking about taking control of your destiny by understanding your strengths and your weaknesses, so you can make a choices that lead to your happier and fulfillment life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me for more insight on Bazi and other type of the metaphysics to help you to live your best life.